Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we crochet the lovely flowers 5 minutes need. First of all, 6 chains. Any kind of yarn you have and suitable hook for the yarn. The size is confirmed by the yarn and hook. Next slip to the very beginning circle. We get the ring. Next one chain, next one short crochet. Next 3 pieces double triple crochet stitches. How to make a double triple crochet stitch? First yarn over 3 times, then insert the hook into the ring and pull the yarn. Now there are 5 loops on the hook. Next pull the yarn through 2 loops per time. Repeat 4 times. Next 3 chains, next one short crochet on the ring. Now we get the first petal. Repeat to finish the other 4 petals. There are 5 petals in total, so remember to adjust the petals when you finish one. Now the last 3 chains. Leave a 10 to 15 centimeters tail. Cut off the yarn. The nail goes through the bottom of the first 3 chains. And then insert the last circle. Hide yarn from backside. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon.